Hello and welcome to your Dermalogica treatment in a box. This treatment has been specifically designed to target and treat areas of uneven skin tone as well as hyperpigmentation. This treatment is focused on delivering a brighter, more radiant and luminous looking skin. To get us started today, we are going to start with a Dermalogica double cleansing principle. Now, double cleansing is all about ensuring that we effectively remove any surface, dirt and debris from the surface of the skin so that all the products we will be incorporating in our treatment today will effectively penetrate the skin. To get us started with our double cleansing principle, we are going to be starting with eye and lip makeup removal. What you're going to need for eye and lip makeup removal is 3 dampened cotton eye pads that you can dampen with normal tap water. You are going to be using your pre-cleanse oil, and you're going to be decanting about a pea-size amount of your pre-cleanse oil onto your dampened cotton eye pads. Make sure that you spread out your pre-cleanse oil on your dampened cotton eye pad to make sure that the product is evenly spread over your cotton pads. If you are wearing contact lenses or eyelash extensions, I would suggest rather opt for a product like Special Cleansing Gel as opposed to the pre-cleanse oil for eye makeup removal, because pre-cleanse oil contains a blend of different oils to effectively remove oil-based dirt and debris. It might just loosen up those little glue bonds in your eyelash extensions. So let's go ahead and start cleansing our eye and lip area. I'm going to be starting by removing my eye makeup in downwards movements, making sure I don't pull or stretch the delicate eye area at all. What I really enjoy about my pre-cleanse oil is that it even has the ability to dissolve and remove waterproof mascara. Fantastic. So after our eye and lip makeup removal, we are going to be starting with our first Dermalogica cleanse. Now for our first Dermalogica cleanse, again, we are going to be utilizing our pre-cleanse oil. This time, I want us to decant about a 50 cents amount of our pre-cleanse oil directly into our dry hands. You're going to be spreading out your pre-cleanse oil in your dry hands, and you're going to apply it directly to your dry skin. I'm wearing makeup at the moment, so as you can see, I'm even applying my pre-cleanse oil directly over my makeup. Your pre-cleanse oil comes with a blend of different oils, such as kukui nut oil, to emulsify and dissolve any oil-based dirt and debris from the surface of the skin. The great benefit about pre-cleanse oil is that it even acts like an effective makeup remover. I want us to focus on areas where you feel underlying bumps, which we call underlying congestion. I also want us to focus on areas where you are prone to being a little bit more oily, as the pre-cleanse oil is really an effective product to make sure that we lift off and dissolve all of those surface oils on the skin. Once you have worked your pre-cleanse oil all over your skin, I want us to start adding water to the skin. As you're going to start adding water to your skin, you will be noticing that your pre-cleanse oil will start to emulsify. That is really what is so unique about your pre-cleanse oil, is that even though it has been formulated in an oil base, it is still water soluble. Once you see this even milky consistency all over the skin, you know it is now time to remove your pre-cleanse oil. So for removal, I am going to use a cleansing mitten today. You are more than welcome to use facial sponges, cotton eye pads, or even just rinsing the skin with running water. Once you have removed your pre-cleanse oil from the skin, you will also notice it doesn't leave behind an oily residue. And that really makes this pre-cleanse product such a unique product, because it's in an oil form, but yet still has the ability to mix with water. Now finally, we are ready for our second Dermalogica cleanse. Our cleanser for today is going to be a product called our Intensive Moisture Cleanser. Now, our Intensive Moisture Cleanser is a fantastic product for a combination dehydrated to even a dry skin type, because it is incredibly nourishing for the skin. We are going to be powering up our Intensive Moisture Cleanser with our Daily Microfoliant today. Our Daily Microfoliant is an exfoliator that is going to be addressing and removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. How we're going to be mixing these products up together? So I'm going to mix mine up in a little bowl using a fan brush. You are more than welcome to mix your products up using your hands. I'm going